Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make platinum sheaths in Icarus. Now first things first, open up your tech tree and go over to tier 3 category. Now just a little bit over to the right side, over here on the far left of the tech tree, you can find the platinum sheath right here by using one of your blueprint points. Now by hovering over to the platinum sheath right here, you can craft it inside the machining bench as you can see right here on the far left. Now for the recipe for the platinum sheath, you are just going to require one piece of platinum ingot. And you can make at least 4 of them with just only 1 ingot. Now if you are wondering how you can smelt down platinum ores, you need the concrete furnace right here. As you can see, back over to the tech tree on the tier 3, you can find the concrete furnace as you can see right here. And it says in this blueprint that it can make platinum ingots. And if I check over here to press inspect, you can see that there's platinum ingots inside it already. Now back to the fabricator right here, I now have my very own platinum sheaths. And that's pretty much about it on how to get platinum sheaths in Icarus.